Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the last trading day of the week, Blessing Friday. We had an amazing trade because of the NFP news guys today. Let me share with you how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, we had such a nice, beautiful long trade yesterday, bank amazing profit. So we were expecting short from here, and let me explain to you why. That's what I explained my trader. Look here, we have 2 points of interest here. We are looking a short trade here at this level. And this morning we had some sort of consolidation, and if you look at this candle, we have bearish engulfing candle. That's the give us the sign. And then later on the news also supported, was good for the dollar, and we had a bank amazing profit. And as soon as the price hit to the support level, we close all this position. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entry. That was a one trade, beautiful, and after that pullback, as you can see here yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, you can watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So yesterday we had a long trade here. So this morning, because technically we were waiting for the NFP news, as you can see here, that's why our intraday system, that's the whole London morning price developer consolidation, and that's what I explained my trader look for here at based on the 4 hour. Our bias was short here, but in intraday, if you look at here, was sort of like we have a head and shoulder pattern. That's the good sign. I explained my trader, if the price gonna break, just keep taking a short trade here. So we technically short from here, and as soon as the price needs to support it, beautiful, and afterwards, as always, look for another pullback short trade here. Bank amazing profit on EURUSD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Beautiful trade. If you look at here, yesterday we had this reversal, and this morning, as explained to my trader, look at here, we sort of like a price is developing it head and shoulder pattern. So we're expecting here a reversal, but let's see here, and that's why our bias was developed. So we had this beautiful, as you can see here, price nicely respected many times. So we were expecting the breakout, this consolidation. So we had this breakout. Once we see the rejection, we had this breakout, and bank pull back all these pieces very nicely, guys. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, this morning we had a one small long trade here. Afterwards, once the price developed a double top here, our bias was short based on the 4 hour here at this level. So price developed double top here. Explain if the price gonna break this level, keep taking a short trade here. So we had this short trade here, and then I said to trader, just wait for the news. And I also mentioned, look for, we already had the short trade here based on the analysis, and I said to my trader, if the price gonna break, just take another short trade here, and then just keep taking a short trade here. Keep pull back on. So you can see here, you can see based on the 4 hour, we had this breakout. After the breakout, we have another pullback, another pullback. We announced all these pullbacks. So most of the traders bank 100 or 200 pips today, guys. We really enjoyed it, banking amazing profit in a few hours. Okay, so dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. If you following my analysis review, I also mentioned you many times in my previous analysis. Our bias was long. You can see here, this is the falling wedge, and explain my trader, as long as the price stay above this level, we are looking a long trade here. So we've been long from Asian session in even London morning. So you can see here, price nicely broken, and afterwards the news supported. So we have taken all this beautiful trade here and target water around this previous high, which is, you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target. Let me share with you the analysis, the intraday entries and exit analysis. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. Explain my trader, just keep looking long on dollar CAD. Okay, so this was the analysis at the Asian session. Beautiful breakout pullback, and I also updated that analysis this morning. This breakout, price nicely broken and retest based on the previous analysis. Long trade here, guys, banking some profit and wait for the news. And after banking some profit, as explained to my trader, we are looking a long trade here based on the momentum. We're only going to take a short trade if the price is going to develop false breakout and retest, then show otherwise long here. So you can see here price nicely developed based on the analysis. Beautiful. And later on, halfway through, news also supported, and then we also have taken this long as soon as the price hit to the profit target in 4 hour and the red fib channel, as you can see here. And that's what explains my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze market in intraday, and banking profit every single day. So the interesting part of it is you should be watching those analyses in real time instead of review. That's the interesting part of it. And banking profit, that's the amazing part of it. So even if you are struggling in forex trading, and this is the platform where we train and coach our trader with the live market in real time, because I believe that's the best way to train trader with the live market. So, and say the same time you can practice on this platform and you will get feedback all of your trades. And once you develop your trading skill, we can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train trader with a live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys. See you until next time. All the best.